September 22 UPI Hurricane Maria began moving away from the Bahamas on Friday evening, the National Hurricane Center said. A Category 3 storm, Maria was located 295 miles east of the central Bahamas and about 375 miles southeast of Nassau in the Bahamas. The storm was moving north-northwest at 9 miles per hour, the NHC said in its 8 p.m. Friday advisory. Forecasters added that the hurricane had maximum sustained winds of 125 miles per hour. A tropical storm warning was in effect for the Turks and Caicos Islands, southeastern Bahamas and the central Bahamas. Storm surge-related water levels were forecast to subside in the Turks and Caicos and Bahamas as Maria moved north. Maria is not expected to make landfall again in the Caribbean, though hurricane-force winds can extend outward up to 60 miles from the center of the storm.